YouTube family, is that you walking down here with all that swag? Alright, alright. So I heard you guys are ready to turn this thing up a notch. Yeah? Alright, bet. Alright, so today we'll cover the 12 most popular drinks ordered at a bar. These drinks are essential, alright? You want to be a pro bartender, you have to know these drinks, alright? With that being said, let's get it. Yeah, I know. I almost forgot my script, you know? Anyways, if you like this content, hit that like button. If you have any comments or concerns, drop it in the comment section. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a beat on your way to become a pro bartender, smash that subscribe button. Alright, first drink up is going to be a Cosmo. Alright, Cosmo is a martini. Alright, a Cosmo consists of these ingredients here. 2 ounces of vodka, ½ ounce of triple sec, ½ ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to put our ice in here. Alright, I'm going to shake it hard because it's a martini. Bam, Cosmo. Alright, the next cocktail up is a Moscow Mule. A Moscow Mule consists of these items. You have 1½ ounce of vodka, you have 1/4 ounce of lime juice, and you're just going to top it off with ginger beer. And to put a little dazzle on it, you're going to do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Alright, let's get started. Bam. Alright, next cocktail up is a Bay Breeze. A Bay Breeze consists of 1½ ounce of vodka, 3 ounces of cranberry juice, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the next cocktail up is a Tequila Sunrise. It consists of 1½ ounce of tequila, 3 ounces of orange juice, and 1 ounce of grenadine. Alright, let's get started. Bam. So the next cocktail we have up is a Manhattan. Manhattan consists of 2 ounces of bourbon, 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 dash of bitters. Alright, let's get started. Bam. Manhattan. Alright, so the next cocktail we have up is a Paloma. Alright, a Paloma consists of 1.5 ounce of tequila, half ounce of lime juice, 4 ounces of grapefruit juice, half ounce of simple syrup, and then optional, you can top it off with some soda. Alright, let's get started. Bam, a Paloma. Alright, so the next cocktail we have up is a classic margarita. Alright, it consists of 1.5 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime juice, and then 2 ounces of sour mix. Alright, let's get started. Bam, classic margarita. Alright, so the next cocktail we have is a mojito. Alright, a mojito consists of 1.5 ounce of white rum, half ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of triple sec or simple syrup, and then you're gonna top it off with soda. Alright, we're gonna build this in the glass because we're gonna muddle it and then we're gonna transfer it over. Alright, let's get started. Mojito. Alright, the next cocktail up is a lemon drop martini. Alright, a lemon drop martini consists of 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and 3/4 of an ounce of sour. Alright, let's get started. drop martini. All right, the next cocktail up is a Bloody Mary. All right, a Bloody Mary consists of 1.5 ounce of vodka, half ounce of lemon juice, half ounce of lime juice, half ounce of olive juice, and then 3 ounces of berry mix or tomato juice. All right, let's get started. Bam, Bloody Mary. All right, next cocktail up is a Long Island. All right, a Long Island consists of 3/4 of an ounce of tequila, 3/4 of an ounce of vodka, 3/4 of an ounce of rum, 3/4 of an ounce of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce of sour, and then you're gonna top it off with Coke. All right, let's get started. Bam, Long Island. All right, the next cocktail we have is an old fashioned. All right, an old fashioned consists of 2 ounces of bourbon or whiskey, 2 dashes of bitters, and a half ounce of simple syrup. All right, let's get started. Voila, old fashioned. All right, guys, before we leave, I just want to say really good job today. You guys are putting in a lot of momentum right now. I can feel the energy. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. A-Lem out.